welcome back in this talk show. And today is about movie talk, love, cry, and believe. Well, everyone, today we will talk about three films with different genders, but the emotional is very touch our heart. And before I begin, I will introduce myself. My name is Hidayu Widya Ramadhan Syaif, and today I'm not lonely here. I bring my two friends, and before we begin, I will introduce them first.
Okay, my name is Ivan Rudaya.
And my name is Muhammad Chandra Riyadi.
And we all here will sharing about film. So let's start with our first movie, and I will begin from Ivan. Okay, here I get your informations that you like the title is I Believe.
Yes.
That's right.
I believe.
Okay, can you tell me why do you like that movie?
Actually, I don't like it. All the film in Indonesia or English, I don't like them because what's that? I just like the picture of them, and then I analyze or I watch this movie because I got tasks from the other classes exactly in listening. So this task made me to analyze and to watch the movie full. So there's no choice. I have to take it part, although I don't like it. And actually, because it is English movie, I get some trouble because there is some pronunciation between native speaker with my speaking because they so fast speak. So I need to subtitle. And then I have to translate into by Google Translate, and then there's plenty. Sorry, there's so many. What's that? Like sentence, unfamiliar sentence, and then yes, like in daily because I use in daily life sentence, and then for the native speaker use what's that, like idiom or others. I think that's it.
Well, just now you said that you get difficulty when you watch this movie.
Okay.
And can you give us is this movie real English conversations? Like real English version? And when you watch the movie, is there Indonesian title or English title?
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, this movie is the real English exactly. The movie comes from America,
Oh,
so it's not used. What is that? United Kingdom spelling. What is that? Accent. I mean.
accents.
So
Yes.
they use the real American accent, and then they subtitle in English to Indonesia.
When you watch this movie,
Yes.
there is the subtitle Indonesian and English.
Yes.
Okay, maybe some of viewers here or you all want to watch also this movie with there is the English and Indonesian subtitle. Can you give us who's the author of this movie?
Actually, the author of this movie is I forgot the name. So the name is Jürgen Bernstein.
Jürgen Bernstein.
He comes from Colombia,
Okay.
one of the country part of United States.
Oh, and when is published this movie?
And this movie was published in 2015, but in YouTube 2019.
Oh, I see. So for you who wants watch, and please look for in YouTube or even in is there in Netflix or
No,
any applications?
YouTube.
Or in YouTube only. You can search. And okay, I believe from the title, I believe it is about love.
No, I believe it's mean about religion.
Oh,
It means that I believe toward to the God, exactly in Christian God.
Oh, I see. I think it's interesting movie. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, actually, this movie is a very attractive movie. Because why? This movie is like a miracle in our prophet.
Oh.
And then in this movie, there was a boy named Brian. Exactly, he came from that society not believing in God. So the society was that didn't hold religion.
How we say
I mean, no Christian, no
Yes.
Muslim, no Buddha.
and how we say easily?
And we also know the term for the society is atheist.
Oh, atheists have no religions, right?
Okay, then nobody there believe in God, but except for Brian. Actually, he used to read Bible, and then he searched the word the God in Google. He googled the word of Jesus, and then he found that Jesus is able to heal someone's illness and then others. So all the activity in the world is from the Jesus. It is according to Bible. And then the Brian told the society, but the society didn't believe it. So they presumed that Brian is crazy. And then what happened? When the Brian go to the church,
The church.
and then the Brian made a soldier. He lost his leg. Because of war. Maybe so. With that, no has feet, 1 feet. So there was 1 feet, and then Brian suggests the soldier to pray to God, and then after the Brian go out from the church, there's a miracle. The leg from the soldier come back, grow back.
Go back.
Heal
So
back.
it's well as possible.
Yes, it's possible. And then from this miracle, all the correspondents from all the station focus to the miracle, and then it is impossible. And then the other miracle, when the Brian with his friend want to go to the church, and then his friend exactly was fired by God.
Oh.
And then the friend was dead, and then the Brian prayed to the God, and and then after the Brian prayed to the God, the friend was relieved.
You like.
I think
Relief.
he blew his his breath. I mean, he opened his clothes. It means that
Oh, I see.
real life.
Real life again. Hidup kembali.
Yes. So from that, all society believed in God, and then in the end, all society went to the church.
Oh, so the religions in this movie is Christian. Christians. But I think we are as Muslim, it is similar with our prophet's struggles, right?
Yes.
From no people believe him, and for the last the viewers.
Although I'm from Muslim, I am interested to the movie because the miracle of the boy because his prayer particularly answered by the God.
So is there any plot twist you like?
I like the most the plot is like when the Brian pray to the God and then the God grants
Oh,
his will, his prayer, his wishes. So it is the part I like the most.
from your informations, I think I'm interesting also to watch this movie.
Okay.
And okay, the last, what message
And then what
this
is
movie
it?
give to you and
I think
share?
we have to what is that? Never give up. This message happened to the Brian when he tried tried to evidence to confident the society to believe to the God, and then we have to what's that? I think we have to hold one religion because it will be guidance for us in life and in hereafter. I think that's the main messages.
Okay, and do you recommend this movie for adults or even teenagers?
Exactly. For the teenager, because the teenager like about magic, like Balfir. So I do recommend this movie to teenager. But for adult, it's okay if you want to know, if you want to watch it. But we are as Muslim, don't be what's that? We have to watch it, even though we are in different belief. I think.
Okay, so from Mas Ivan's explanations about movie which title I believe, you can search, or if you, I think it's interesting information to make what is our simpati,
Empathy.
or empathy. We as Muslim have our empathy also to our other religion.
Respect each other.
Respect each other. Yes. Okay, thank you for the information. Next is the second movie. It is now about religions and about the miracle. There is the miracle. And how about the second movie? What's your title?
Okay, in the title, my movie, in the title, favorite movie is Baby Days Born.
Baby Days Out.
Baby Days Out.
Baby Days Out. Because now miracle is about baby, guys. Is this funny?
Yes, the movie is for the viewer when they watch the movie.
Yeah.
And make the viewers like loud for the first watch until the last watch.
Oh, so it is to funny
Funny.
day, funny.
Mm.
Baby.
Baby Days Out.
Baby Days Out.
Mm.
Who is the writer?
For the author, maybe the name is John Hodge, and publish the movie is in 1 July 1994.
Oh, do you like joke movie or funny movie like this?
Yes.
Oh, so I think you don't never guess watch this funny movie.
No, but I watch the movie is not just the funny, but in the movie is many action. The baby action when the baby is the three thief punya dibawa kabur oleh 3 menjadi.
Kidnapper. I mean kidnap.
Yes, the baby is the kidnap, and bring in the other country. Yes.
I think it's interesting movie. This
Yes.
baby and it is still baby, guys, but have many adventure.
Baby
Oh.
and kidnapper.
Yes.
Baby kidnapper and adventure.
The main.
Okay, many actions from the baby. Can you tell us more about it?
For the first minutes, when the baby is like the family is
Mhm.
the has the agenda, maybe when the birthday child, the birthday baby,
The birthday of the baby.
the birthday of baby. Nah, the baby is want to photo shoot. Nah, but
Oh.
the parent forgot to change the shirt
Mhm.
because the shirt is their lantai atas, the upper
There's the upper
because
upper
the upper
floor.
floor.
Mhm.
So the baby is the live with the parents. So baby is alone in the upper down floor and bawah lantai bawah.
But the parent taking the clothes.
Yes. After this, there is a car, but the car is there is two people
Uh-huh.
and there is the thief.
Oh,
Yes.
Kidnapper.
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 Nah, after this, the baby is sudah di wanted in one target.
Oh.
Yes, sudah di target. After this, and the kidnapper is the bring the baby and go to other country. And after this, the parent is
Go down.
go down and see saw where my baby.
Where's the
Mm.
baby? Where's the
After
lost?
this, the parent has to call the police, and yes, the police find find mencarinya, look for the kidnapper, and after this, in the other scene, the baby arrived in the
Other city.
other city when there is in the home in the kidnapper, and the baby can escape escape from the outside home. After this, the kidnapper is the very shocked where the baby can escape in the big home like this. So
It has a big baby or
No.
what's year? What year?
maybe
How old the
How
baby?
old's the
How
baby?
old baby 1 year or nine months like this.
It's nine baby 9 years baby can take over.
9 months.
9 months.
9 months.
It can have take over.
Like over
Merangkak.
Merangkak.
Yes.
After this, the baby start the action
Mhm.
after the baby outside the home, and the baby outside the home is many action the baby is doing, like the baby up the bus, up the bus,
How can it?
Yes.
get up the bus, and
Get on. I mean get on.
get on the
Get on
bus,
the bus.
and the baby enter the zoo, and the baby enter the gorilla.
Oh, golf.
Gorilla golf.
What is
What is the
the
kind
place of the golf?
Mm.
Golf.
Oh,
In
gorilla
zoo.
place. Yes.
Mhm.
And after this, the baby go to the apa? Uli, tukang bangunan. Apa sih? Tukang bangunan.
Oh yes.
Hmm.
The worker and what's that?
Building worker.
Building.
How we
Worker.
say? Yes,
Okay.
that.
The building worker, and the last is the baby and to in the garden, and the baby is meet the kidnapper again. But the last scene, the baby make the kidnapper like the trauma.
Trauma.
Don't trauma.
Got trauma
Because the baby is burn the body, fetal body is the kidnapper like this. Yes.
How can it be
Mm.
9 months baby till 1 year as can take one go up on the bus and without pay
Enter the zoo.
enter the zoo, and when the baby doing the actions, what's other people don't care about it, or how it's
In the scene, maybe in the get on the bus, the baby is the other people look the baby, so the baby is menyeberang.
cross
Cross the way, and many
vehicles,
vehicles. Nah, not touch the baby like not hit the baby like this.
Oh.
So and maybe apa the other people like saw
yeah.
like kok bisa gitu?
Yes.
Like this.
It's like my movie about miracle.
Miracles.
Yeah.
Also, there's the miracle.
Miracle boy and then miracle baby.
Like this. Yeah.
Funny. It's so funny. Is there any what is plot twist the most you like?
For the plot twist in the movie, when the baby entered the zoo, because the baby
How?
action, maybe the danger action, when the baby entered the gorilla place, and the kidnapper know when the baby is
Come into the
place. So the kidnapper there is to front in the place for the gorilla. Nah, and the gorilla, maybe the gorilla is like me. The baby is the child, like this. So the gorilla is like this.
Taking the baby.
To protect for the kidnapper.
Oh.
So the baby not like the afraid, like not like I not like cry, but the baby is loud,
Yeah.
just ketawa,
Yeah.
loud like this.
Yeah.
After this, and the kidnapper action in the front gorilla place, the kidnapper is like doing many action like the bring the sapu to put to place gorilla place to bring the baby like this but the gorilla broke the sapu. So after this, the kidnapper is jump to other place like this.
Oh, it's very attractive baby. Okay, that's big. And from that funny movie, what message can you take?
Maybe from the message, not thief or the kidnapper doing the action to like gang. Apa bahasanya? Not all the kidnapper or thief doing the action, but they not know for what apa yang dia incar like this.
Oh yeah. Before it. Is there the name of the baby? Do you know the name of the baby?
The name is baby Bing.
Baby Bean.
Baby Bing.
From the name is Baby Bean.
Baby Bing.
Bean. And is there any reasons why the kidnapper wants the baby?
Because the family, baby family is like the orang penting.
Oh.
esteemed people. Esteemed people.
Still people in the country like
In the
this.
country. Oh.
So the kidnapper is the like the baby.
Oh, maybe later the kidnapper will take the baby and will ask money.
Yes, like this.
Ah.
Like it.
Kidnapper. How can kidnapper always do like that? And this movie, I think, is interesting movie and fun. Do you recommend it us to also watch this movie?
I
About the
recommend.
baby actions?
I recommended the movie for the watch like with the family or the child in the under maybe under 10.
But don't you think if the baby around 9 months or even 1 year watching this movie, maybe they will
Yeah.
imitate it and do it. How if lost? Because not all baby all baby is baby pink.
Amazing is about miracle, I think. So not
Yeah.
all the baby in the world like baby pink,
Baby
baby
Baby pink.
BINK.
pink,
Pink.
pink, pink,
Baby pink.
baby pink.
So I think don't watch for the parent, don't watch this movie to the baby under 10 months, 1 year, 10 months.
Then 5 years.
Okay. Okay, from the first it's about religion, the second is about funny, and the last I also have a favorite movie. Do you want to know?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I will give you know. And my movie, the title is Miracle in Cell Number 7.
Oh, miracle.
Miracle also.
Sorry, we're all about
Miracle. Miracle in Cell Number 7. Actually, I don't too like English movie, but when I watched this movie when I the second class of senior high school in my boarding school family. In my club, when there is watching together, and this movie is watched for us. And actually, this movie is from German. But when we watch this movie, it's English version. I don't know where my friends get at the time, but today when I look for again in English versions, it's nothing.
Oh,
But just there is English version like that. Sorry, Indonesian version with German version. So I will actually the plot and also the story is same, but just different name and author, producer I mean, and language. And so I will because the name of Germany is I don't too like and I don't remember it, so I want to review in Indonesian version. But if you want to watch this movie, if you English persons and you want to English subtitle, but the speaker is just Indonesian, but the subtitle is English. I just find it. And for Indonesian version, it's directed by Hanung Bramantio and written by Alim Sudio. And why I like this movie, because from this movie it's not just about loving father with the child, and also related with the prison and injustice social interaction like that. Why like that? Because this story is actually there is Dodo, the father, and Dodo is have one what is daughter. The name is Kartika, and the name of the father is Dodo, and Dodo is disability. And at the time, Dodo is in the movie. Kartika directly have no directly child, no mother like that. So don't tell about the wife of Dodo. Directly, Dodo have disability and have child. And what's aku dibesarkan.
Grow up.
And Kartika just stay with Dodo, with the father in the hometown like that until five five class of elementary school. And at the time, this is the problem. Dodo, because he got disability, and there is some people don't like to them, and make a planning. Apa menuduh?
Accuse.
Make a planning to make Dodo come to jail.
Oh.
Come to jail because they dislike Dodo. And the planning is the people who don't like Dodo is accused that Dodo doing sexual. Firstly, other people in the hometown don't believe because Dodo, who have mentally disability, will not doing that. But because the disability, Dodo cannot do anything, and also he has say that I don't do that, still bring to jail and then put in cell number 7.
Oh, so this movie resembles to the people, the man in the body when he's disabled, and then
Yes.
like resemble, right?
Yes, I remember.
The name is
Agus.
Agus.
Agus Buntung.
Agus Buntung.
Agus Buntung. Yes, more like that. But Agus he have child?
No.
No, right? But this have child. Dodo have child. And then in cell number 7, there are 7 person there. Equate Dodo. Firstly, the friend doesn't like Dodo because Dodo have mental disability. Yes, you know how the conditions in jail, right? Then after that, tell us about Kartika. Kartika here don't know where is the father. Firstly, but the neighbor told that the father doing something wrong and then have to get punishment in jail. And at the time, Kartika just say and just understand about it. Don't understand about the wrongness and also the sexuality like that. Then long after, Kartika has been grown up, and in the jail, the 7 people has like Dodo because Dodo is kind and many things he done. And then the keeper of the jail in the cell is kind and menyelundupkan kan Kartika, the child, to meet with the father. But at the time, the father was get die.
Oh, what's old?
No, hukuman mati.
Oh,
Get hukuman mati. Yes.
The punishment.
Yes, the punishment, die punishment. Hukuman mati. And the friend, how they to say to Kartika, because she's still child and will not how she feel if no the father was die. So they plan to give no to keep this accident and give no that the father still doing like some in apa namanya?
Yeah.
Itu nih nilai tempat apa yang gitu. And keep and say to Kartika that the father still moved to other place, and later will come back like that. So every day Kartika going there with and the seventh here become the friend like that. And for the last, because later when Kartika has been grew up and passed from university, she being lawyer, and at the time she has known that the father is innocent. So yes, the Kartika mengungkap kembali, menelusuri kembali the cases of it, and know that the father is innocent, and catch the people who do it like that. Although the father was died, but the pembalasan dendam, she got it like that. Okay, the message for this movie is it's not just about the love, the relationship and the loving between the father with the child, but also can remind us about the social injustice like that for disability person. And this movie is recommended for you all who like adventure, family interactions, and family loving, and it also have educational value for you all who is the viewers.
Okay. I think I have some information here. I have one question.
Uh,
Which part does representative of miracle?
Miracle, or the miracle is when the father was nothing in the cell number 7. Kartika's arrival to the cell, when she always go to the cell to meet the friends of the father. From 7 people here, you actually don't care one each other, and because there is Kartika, they can do many good attitude and good action, like can read, because Kartika after school bring book, they can read the book, and also menyayangi each other and help each other and become a friends like that. Firstly, they also fight together like that. So that one of the miracle, because there's the Kartika like that. Okay, I think this good discussions about a movie. There's the miracle, there's the funny, there is the religions, and many more. I think I have to close this talk show, and thank you for your nice attentions. See you on next talk show in Movie Talk. The last from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.